Hi guys, I hope you all are well. Just before watching my vlog, please make sure to subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much. Enjoy the vlog. Then guys, how you all doing today? Welcome back to Kashif'S world. So today I've come to Popeyes in Newcastle. Great reviews about this place, so let's take a look inside at the menu. So this is inside. And so you'll have to order on this screen. Right then guys, so here's the menu. Now you get a variety of food which you can choose. So I'm gonna actually go with the spicy chicken burger. So if you click on this, and then it should be, which is this one. So we'll click that, and then we'll have a regular spicy chicken sandwich. And then we'll choose the chips here. So, no, let's go for that one. So we'll choose our soda drinks, so we'll go with that. Right, so that's going to cost me £9.25. So you get the burger, you get the regular chips, and we get a drink. Right then guys, so I've got my table number here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this onto the till. This is the seating area here of Popeyes. Plenty of seating areas. It's really good. It's quite a nice place. So here guys, you got the drink section here, so you can keep refilling your drinks. So you got different kind of variety of drinks to choose from here. And you got the lids here. So this is all the screens where you can order your food, and then once you ordered it from here, then you take it to the tills here, and they will take it further from there. So this is Popeyes. It's really good. It's a nice place. This is the branch from America, but they've moved to the UK. Popeyes have got a special offer on here, kids menu, for $3.99. We've got our spicy chicken fillet burger here with a nice Fanta, and we've got some fries there. Let's open this burger up first of all. So here we are, we've got our burger here. So what we get in the burger is you'll get a bit of lettuce, you get the cheese, and then you get that thick chicken inside it. Right, let's give this a taste. This is really good. It was a really nice flavors coming out of that chicken burger. And there's a chicken inside that, look at that. The bun's really nice and soft as well, and nice and warm. That was really good. Let's taste the chips. Here we are, look at the chips here. Really nice, well cooked. Let's give this a taste. You can see a bit of herbs on that, which is good. Now let's give this a taste. Really good chips. Good potato content in that as well. It's very crunchy as well, the chips, and they're really nice. Give this cherry Fanta a taste. Oh wow, incredible. Nice and cold, very nice taste. It's really good. You got Popeyes tissues here. Right then guys, that meal was absolutely wonderful. I must say, the spicy burger, what I've just got there, it wasn't that spicy compared to the spicy burgers what you get from Manchester. I think the Manchester spicy burgers are the best burgers, I must say. But overall, it was really good, this Popeyes chicken burger. Yeah, so if you're popping by in Newcastle Metro Centre, do come to Popeyes. It was a really good service as well. Popeyes, it's nice and clean. I like the way they've made all this. It's really good. Finish up the vlog here, everyone. I hope everyone enjoyed that. If you enjoyed it, give it a like, comment, subscribe. Take care, and I'll see you all for the next one.